Okay, so now I got the top off. This is what looks like. This is what it's gonna look like. How to get to it. It's not very hard. It took me maybe about 32 minutes to get that top off. And I forgot to show you, there is a bolt that holds that top on right here that you need to take off. And it was a pain in the butt. I ended up having to pull that EGR tube so I could pull the whole top off, so it's easier to work at. And I think what I'm gonna end up doing to fix this issue is I'm gonna cut this whole thing off. And that way it's easier to take off. Get those ferrule nuts out of there. And then, yeah. So this is what pretty much it looks like. And hopefully this helps people on how to do this and how to get to it. Probably, I took this top off before. It took me a little faster. So if it's your first time, it's probably going to take you a little longer. Let's say about an hour tops. Now the funny thing is, I went to an auto shop and they wanted to charge me $1,000 to do this fucking job, and couldn't believe it. They said it would take them 3 to 4 hours, and they're mechanics. They got good tools, and it's literally took me 30 minutes to really get to it. So yeah, hope this helps anyone. Shoot me some questions if you need further assistance, and I'll keep putting videos up of my progress of getting that new one in. Thanks.